Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to disable lock screen notifications in Windows 10. So whenever you lock your computer or put it in sleep, you will have to log back in order to gain access back to Windows. So if you have notifications enabled, and this can be especially annoying if you're using the Mail app and you're receiving notifications from Mail while you're on the lock screen and you'd rather keep that private. This tutorial is going to be for you guys. So we're going to start by heading over to Settings. So click on the Start button and then left click on Settings. Left click on the System tile. On the left side panel here, left click on Notifications and Actions. And then go down to where it says Show Notifications on the lock screen. Just left click on this little oval to toggle it to the off position. And there you go. So notifications should not be showing up on your lock screen. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.